How to fulfill orders in WIX. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of WIX stores and tackling a crucial part of the process, order fulfillment. Whether you're a seasoned WIX pro or just starting out, fulfilling orders efficiently is key to keeping your customers happy. First things first, let's locate your orders, so head over to the WIX dashboard and navigate to the Orders tab. Once you've identified an order that needs fulfilling, click on it to view the details, and here you'll see information like the customer's address, ordered items, and payment status. Now, to make the order as fulfilled, look for the More Actions button in the top right corner, click that, and you'll see an option to mark as fulfilled. Depending on whether it's a physical product or a digital download, you might want to send a notification email to your customer. So WIX offers options to automatically send emails when an order is marked as fulfilled. These emails typically include a shipping confirmation or a download link for digital products. While WIX automatically captures payments for most transactions, you might have some offline sales or situations where you need to manually mark an order as paid. In the order details section, you'll find an option to mark as paid if needed. And there you have it. Fulfilling orders in WIX is a straightforward process with different methods to suit your needs. Remember to choose the fulfillment option that best fits your business model and workload. If you have any questions about order fulfillment in WIX, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WIX tutorials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.